So tomorrow is my mom's birthday, so today I'm gonna make a buttermilk pie. That is her absolute favorite dessert. I'm gonna try to make it. I've never made it before. Grandma usually always makes this, so I'm gonna try. I have Grandma's recipe, so hopefully it turns out okay. So the first thing we need is 1.5 cups of sugar. Okay, and then this is weird, but it calls for 1/2 cup of Bisquick pancake mix. So, okay. Okay, next we need 3 eggs. Next we need 1 cup of buttermilk. A 1/3 cup of melted butter. And then 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Next, you're gonna mix this either with an electric hand mixer, or if you wanna be old school like me, I'm gonna use an old kind. I'm sorry, I know it squeaks. So this is what it looks like when it's all mixed up. I'm just gonna pour it into a pie pan.